and welcome to the Highland Homes Personal Selection Studio. I'm Stacy Antonopoulos-Perez, and I'd like to introduce you to our design team.
Hello, I'm Sarah Mitchell.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Seeley.
Viviani Disari.
Hi, I'm Natalie Alvarez.
Hi, I'm Brittany Lee.
And before we get started on our tour, we'd like to share some important information with you. The Highland Homes Design Center is open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5:30, and Saturdays from 9 to 5. We are by appointment only. Once you sign contract, your sales manager will let us know, and we will be contacting you within 48 hours to schedule. Your appointment needs to be scheduled within 14 days of your contract signing date. Everyone will be given 3 hours to select all options, review, and finalize paperwork. For your convenience, we do have FaceTime, Skype, and Zoom appointments available that will give you the same experience at the Design Center, just virtually. Once appointment has been scheduled, you will receive a Go reminder 24 hours in advance with our address and to remind you of your appointment. If you have purchased one of our spec homes or townhomes, we will contact you within 48 hours to see what additional options you would like to add on, if any. We look forward to meeting with you and working one-on-one designing your new Highland home.